I'm Leah and welcome to the Not Only Carrots cooking show. Today I'll be preparing for you the tomato and onion baked beans on page 80 of my brand new cookbook, No, We Don't Only Eat Carrots, Plant-Based Food for Humans. To begin with, preheat your pan to a high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of rice bran oil. You may omit the oil and use water if you prefer. And add along to that it looks like a lot, but it's actually 1 onion, 1 large onion sliced. Those slices are just stacked on top of each other, so don't be fooled. And we'll also add 1 heaped teaspoon of minced garlic. If it starts to splatter a bit much, turn your heat down until the onion has softened a little. There we are. You'll be stirring your onion and garlic together until the onion has gone clear and it also has begun to brown. And that's when we'll add the remaining of our ingredients. This recipe, I wanted to let you know, is quite a quick recipe to prepare, and it's something that a lot of people prefer to have at night time if they're tired, they've had a busy day at work, and they come home, they want something decent, it will fill them up but not take a long time to prepare. This meal is enough for 2 people. And naturally you can double or triple the recipe if you have a family that's bigger than that. So I'm going to bring that heat back up to a little bit higher now that my garlic has calmed down. And to encourage the cooking, I'll put the lid on just for a little bit to speed things up. Now we're ready to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt over the top of our onions. You can add it earlier if you prefer, but it honestly doesn't really matter. Some people claim that it can help the onions to cook a little faster, but give it a go. Stir it through. They're starting to brown really nicely now. Now we're ready to add our tomato. We have 4 medium-sized tomatoes sliced thickly. Stir your tomatoes through, and you want to spread them out so that they're getting enough heat from the pan to cook. So if they're all in one lump at one end, they're not going to cook. Even if you need to spread your onions to the side to make sure the tomatoes are heating up. If you wish to add any more salt, you can at this stage, but 1/2 teaspoon is enough for me. And we'll leave that now until those are really soft. As you can see, the tomatoes now are breaking apart, and that's what we're aiming for. If they haven't broken apart, they'll still be firm when you add your baked beans. And I prefer to have them lovely and soft so they stir really well through the beans, which we will now add. 1 tin of baked beans in tomato sauce. Be careful not to accidentally pick up the ones in ham sauce. We don't want any piggy in our vegan baked beans. All right, stir them through. And your meal now simply has to heat up. You'll actually be surprised at how many margarines in the shop actually do contain dairy. So keep an eye out, read your ingredients. Nuttalex is a vegan brand. The Aldi standard home brand is also vegan, and the home brand at Woolworths, this is Australia of course, they are all vegan. But I'm sure in your hometown you'll be able to find a vegan version. If not, some people prefer to not even worry about it because we have already added some oil to our mixture. Or you can simply add oil on top of your bread and spread it out that way. Now we're just going to serve our meal. We'll turn our heat off. As you can see, it is a very quick meal to prepare. Just a few minutes. We actually had this for breakfast this morning. It was yummy. And 2 to 3 large scoops per serving. So this would be counting as 1 serve, and then you'd serve the same again for your second serving. So there we have it. Tomato and onion baked beans on toast. Thank you so much for joining us today at the cooking show. We hope that you will join us again next time. Please hit like and share the video with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you next time.